Quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Libra. Your cards are the Three of Wands, the Lovers, and the Ace of Swords. Yes, eto na yung kasagutan dahil inantay natin mangyari ito. Nagtiyaga tayo dito sa relasyon, inantay natin yung communication, pag-embrace ni person dito sa relationship natin. Meron na rin ditong understanding na itong relasyon na ito kahit anong gawin natin, babalik pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. We are destined to be together. I feel like meron kayong twin flame connection dito ni person and the Ace of Swords. Ito yung pagbubukas ng new chapter between you and your person into a more harmonious, chances are parang ito na yung cohabitation proposal or marriage na inaantay din natin. So may mga offers dito si person na ikasasaya ng puso natin. This is your quick reading for April the 21st to the 22nd, Libra.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.